Hi, I'm Daniel, Global Director of Artistry and Education at Tatcha.
I'm Jennifer, Skincare Educator at Tatcha.
I'm Leah, Production Specialist and Makeup Artist for Tatcha.
The Rice Wash is a cream cleanser that gently washes away impurities without stripping the skin, leaving your complexion softer and more luminous.
The Rice Wash was inspired in part by a Japanese concept called kyomi, which means purification. From traditional ceremonies to everyday life, rituals of purification are threaded throughout Japanese culture as an act of care and respect for the skin. It's important that we care for it by cleansing with ingredients that are kind and gentle to the skin.
Centuries ago, Japanese women found that the milky water from that first wash of rice left their skin soft and luminous and began saving it for their beauty rituals.
I'm obsessed with the Rice Wash. This cleanser's ingredients are amazing, like ceramide-rich Okinawa red algae and Miette brown algae. These algae are just known for enhancing the natural skin barrier functions that just help retain so much moisture. The Rice Wash is clinically proven to improve the skin's hydration by 39% on an average of 8 hours. The pH balance formula is perfect to use before other treatments.
It'll feel softer, more supple, and so much more hydrated.
I'm so stoked for you all to try this and to treat yourself to an act of kindness at home.